how to solve linear equation in one variable. Today we will learn some of the applications of solving equation. Let us go to the first question. The question is, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1/8. What is the number? So we don't know which number is it. So whenever we don't know, we take it as x or any variable. So let the number be, equal to x. Now first what we have to do? Subtract half. So subtract half. What do we get? We get x minus half. Then multiply the result by half. Multiply the result by half. What do we get? Half multiplied by x minus half. What do we get? We get 1/8. So what is given in the question? Given half into x minus half is equal to 1/8. Now we have to find the value of x. Now how to find the value of x? X minus half is equal to 1/8, and then this 1/8, 2 will go to this side. So it will become 2/1. So when we do cancellation, we get 1/4. Here you got x minus half is equal to 1/4. So what is x is equal to? X is equal to 1/4. This half, when it goes to that side, it will become plus half. So when we find LCM and add, what do we get? 1/4 plus 1/2. So LCM is 4. So 2 2s are 4. So here also multiply by 2. So we get 1 plus 2/4, which is equal to 3/4. So the number which we thought of, x, is equal to 3/4. So the number, what is the number is the question. The number is 3/4. The next question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? What is given? There is a swimming pool. What is the shape of the pool? Rectangular shape. And its length is 2 times breadth plus 2. This is what is given. So we don't know the length, we don't know the breadth. But do you know that the breadth, if you know, you can find out length. So let us take, let the breadth is equal to x. So what will be the length? Length is equal to 2b plus 2. That is 2 into 2b plus 2. B means breadth. So 2x plus 2. Now what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. It is given 154 meter. Now let us substitute the value of length and breadth. What is the length? 2x plus 2. So 2 into 2x plus 2, and what is the breadth? X is equal to 154 meter. Let us see what did we do. 2 into length plus breadth. What is the length? 2x plus 2. And what is the breadth? X. So that values are kept here. Now, if you see 2 into 2x plus x, that is 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. Now, take this 2 to this side. So, you will get 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. This is multiplied by, so it will become divided by. So, which is equal to 77 meter. 3x plus 2, 77. So, what will be 3x? 3x is equal to 77 plus 2 will go here. It will become minus 2. So, which is equal to 75. From that, find out the value of x. 75 divided by 3, which is equal to 25 meter. So, what is x? The breadth of the pool. So, breadth is equal to 25 meter. So, what is the length? Length is equal to 2 into breadth plus 2. That is 2 into 25 plus 2. That is 50 plus 2, which is equal to 52 meter. So, the length of the pool is 52 meter and the breadth of the pool is 25 meter. Let us see question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 2 upon 15 centimeter. Then what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Now you know what is an isosceles triangle is. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle which has got 2 of its sides equal. So these 2 sides are equal. And the third side, which is the base, is 4 upon 3 centimeter. What other information is given in the question? The perimeter is 4 and 2 upon 15. So, let us take the unknown side. Let the equal sides is equal to x. Base is equal to 4 upon 3 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of any closed figure will be equal to sum of its sides. So here perimeter of this triangle is equal to the side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So perimeter is equal to, that is given. Given perimeter is equal to how much? 4 and 2 upon 15 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter of this triangle? X plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 4 and 2 upon 15 centimeter. Now what is 4 and 2 upon 15? 62 upon 15. And here x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 62 upon 15. How did you get 62? 4 15s are 60 plus 2 62. Okay, converting into improper fraction. Now take this 4 by 3 to this side. So what would you get? 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15. So multiply here by 5. What would you get? 62 minus 4 5s are 20 upon 15. So when you subtract, you get 2x is equal to 62 minus 20, which is equal to 42 upon 50. So x is equal to 42 upon 15 into 2. So when you do cancellation, 2 ones are 2, 2 21s are. So you get 21 upon 15. Again, 7 3s are and 5 3s are. So x is equal to 7 upon 5 centimeter. So the equal sides of the triangle is 7 upon 5 centimeter. That's all for today. The remaining questions we will do in the next video. Thank you.